This groundbreaking collaboration is reshaping the future of robotics through a powerful new open-source tool. NVIDIA, Disney Research, and Google DeepMind have jointly shared their Newton engine, a cutting-edge physics engine designed to revolutionize robotic simulations with the Linux Foundation. But here's where it gets controversial. While the project promises to democratize advanced robotics development, some experts argue that open-source initiatives may struggle to compete with proprietary solutions in real-world applications. The Newton engine builds on NVIDIA's Warp framework, which accelerates data generation and spatial computing in Python, key areas for modern robotics. This platform is further enhanced by integration with NVIDIA's CUDA-X toolkit, ensuring high-performance computing.
Developers can also leverage existing tools like OpenUSD for animation workflows and Mujuko for physics-based simulations, creating a robust ecosystem for open-source robotics innovation. And this is the part most people miss. The Newton engine isn't just a technical advancement, it's a strategic move to strengthen the open-source robotics community. By making this powerful engine freely available, the trio is empowering researchers and engineers worldwide to push the boundaries of what robots can achieve. For those curious about the details, the Linux Foundation has released a comprehensive press release, https://www.linuxfoundation.org/press. Linux Foundation announces contribution of Newton by Disney Research, Google DeepMind, and NVIDIA. And the code remains actively developed on GitHub, https://github.com/Newton. What do you think?
Will open-source projects like Newton ultimately redefine how we build and interact with robots? Share your thoughts in the comments below.